Hey guys, Marcelo here. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe here and so you don't miss any updates that I might post here. And today I'll be analyzing the BTC chart only. So without further ado, let's go to the chart here. I will share my screen with you so you'll be able to see the screen. So this is the BTC chart on the 8 hours chart. And as you can see here, BTC for the majority of the time here, if we take this level here, BTC is trending, is ranging around this area here. We had a little bit of breakout here, and then a lot of people got excited. Went back straight into the consolidation range. Try to go again here, consolidate around this area for a little bit, and then boom, went back down again. And now we are consolidating again in this area. But now what we also have is a consolidation inside of a consolidation right here. So let's put another color here. Let's put red. So now BTC, you can see that's getting tighter and tighter. And let's do a little bit more further technical analysis here. Let's go back to, let me actually put the daily chart here. And let's take, this is the all-time high around 69,000. So let's place a trend line towards the lows, the lower lows here, to see where we can come up with this trend line. So here, I won't go further into details how you plot the trend line. In case you need, there is a free course that I'll leave here for you, which I explain everything about trend lines, consolidations and breakouts, and everything that you need about not just cryptocurrency, but the technical analysis in general, all right? So here, we're going to extend our trend line towards this lower high here. And let's extend to the right. So as you can see here, the market starts to react towards this level here. So once the market starts to go down and then pull back, it found resistance on this trend line more than once here, attempted to go again. So it was reacting around this area. Then price fell, we consolidated. And by the way, consolidation is what market does the most of the time. So consolidates, breaks out, and then goes to one or other direction, and then approaches here again around this area, falls. We have another attempt around this area here, as you can see the wicks of the chart. And now what is BTC doing? It's currently trying to go again. Let me just get the trend line a little bit more accurate. And let's see here. Sometimes you might miss a little bit of the like this, and then you extend. So now at least we are connecting the dots. So you'll see that it will be a little bit more tighter here. All right. So what do we do in this area? Here, the reason most of the traders fail is because they are trading in the consolidation, or they don't even know that the market's is in consolidation. So what do? We wait actually for the market to break out of this level. Let me stop the extension. Let's change color here. So if the market breaks to the upside, breaks this downward trend line, and then pulls back, now I'll be in the buy zone. Then I'll be looking for buying opportunities around this area. Or what I will do is, as long as the market stays in this range here, this consolidation, and we know that most of the traders fail trading on consolidations, what I will do is I would stay out. I would only wait for the market, only trade when the market breaks actually around this level and holds as a level of support, and then we can trade towards higher levels, going backwards and look for the previous levels of resistance, like here, and at least like here. So we usually go around 3 levels of resistance up. Now, if the market decides to break to the downside here, so we have this strong level of support right here, where the market is currently serving as a level of support as well. Now, if it breaks to the downside, what can happen is this is a long consolidation. So usually when market consolidates for a while, the breakouts tends to be a little bit aggressive. Either way, can go. This can be this valid for to the upside and to the downside as well. So let me go to the next chart now that I want to show you that I already plotted some targets for the lower side. So this is the same chart, and here you can see that I have three highlighted yellow lines here, which are basically targets where the market is going after if the market decides to break to the downside, uh, remaining bearish in this case. So where did I find these targets from? These targets are actually coming all the way from October 2020, all the way to December 2020. And those targets, they usually work like as a magnet tool. The market doesn't like chaos, doesn't like imbalance. But when the price goes up too fast like this, let me get the brush here and show you. When the market goes aggressively like this too fast, it creates traces in the market where the market has a tendency to go after and hit those targets. So the reason you don't see any targets around those levels here, for instance, here, it's because the market has bounced and has already hit all the targets. But although we know that the market has a 95% of winning ratio of striking rate to reach those targets, sometimes they stay here for a long time. And on those three targets in particular, they are almost 2 years now. So I will only be looking to trade them when we are in the sell zone, just like as we can see here. Now you can see I also have those targets on the upside here, but I'm not paying attention at them right now because we are in the sell zone. We are on the left-hand side of this major all-time low trend line. So only once the market breaks up to the right-hand side, let's say, so the market will be in the buy zone, pulls back here, then I'll be looking to trade towards this target, this target, this target, and also those targets here. We have about 4 or 5 targets here. So with that in mind, you can know that BTC is on a consolidation level. So we're still deciding whether the BTC is going to go up or down. And by looking at that, you can look at the altcoins and see where they could be heading towards. Most of the altcoins, they will be moving together with BTC. So then if you know that BTC is consolidating, there's nothing much you can do on, let's say, buying or shorting Ether or Solana or other coins because they are on a consolidation. Of course, some of the altcoins, they will break out and they will give us proper trading opportunities or trending opportunities within the trade conditions. So with BTC, by now I'm staying out, just waiting to see if BTC will break to the upside. Then I have those highlighted levels that I show you. And if BTC breaks to the downside, then I can be trading all the way to around 12,000 level. So that's all by now, guys. If you enjoyed this quick analysis on BTC, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you want to know further into details how to find those targets, there are also courses where you can take it, and I'll leave some tutorials as well for you, and I wish you all the best. So take care by now, happy trading, trade conservatively, and protect your capital at all times. All right, see you and take care by now.